Welcome to Bodbunch. This video is about Hostinger AI website builder. We will see what Hostinger AI website builder offers. Is it really good for creating a website with the help of AI? This is the Hostinger dashboard. It has 4 million plus trusted clients, 150 plus countries served, 20 years plus experience and 10 million plus website created by Hostinger. These are the tools that Hostinger offers. For now, we will explore AI website builder. The best part is convert your ideas into ready to go live website without any writing codes in just few minutes. Start free trial button. Here you can see some information like it offers 14-day free trial, 150 plus templates, drag and drop editor, AI writing and design tool, e-commerce features, built-in SEO marketing, and you will get 24 into 7 customer support. This is the Hosting AI website builder dashboard. You will get demo prompt to create website. It offers 150 plus pre-built templates that you can use on your website based on your field. This is the pre-built templates for restaurant. You can use it and also customize it. Today we will create a restaurant website and this is the that I will use to create a website. As we press enter, it takes hardly 2 to 3 minutes to create this website. You can also edit your ideas here. This is the mobile version. It creates important button. This is the menu offers. You can add more items just by drag and drop. It also created about us page where you can write about your restaurant. The gallery page, here you can add images for your restaurant. Mention the reviews for your Better customers gaining trust. In the contact us page, you can add just contact details. You can fully customize your website just by drag and drop. This is your website checklist before go live. You can see the elements, use it just by drag and drop. Page that created. Change your website style, colors, fonts, buttons. It also offers AI tools like image generator, AI writer, page generator, AI section generator, AI blog generator, and many more. Change the header, text size, font, and colors. In the book now button, you have to only add your website address, phone number, email address, or WhatsApp contact. This is the pre-built section. Add social media icons on your home page. You can create page just by click on add page button like privacy policy, refund policy, term and condition. This is the term and conditions page created just giving few website details. Image generator. I will create images and use it in the website. In the built-in SEO features, you can check your SEO performance. Before go live, preview your website on both PC and mobile mode. Now we will see the Hostinger AI website builder plans. It offers two plans with 30-day money back guarantee. Plans are premium website builder, which cost is 129 rupees per month. If you go with the 40th month period plans, you will get plus 3 months extra. With this plan, you can host up to 25 websites. You will get one free domain, but you can't use AI tools that Hostinger offer. If you talk about the second plan, which is business website builder, it costs rupees 199 per month, and with the 40th month of plans period, you will get plus 3 months free. It includes free domain. You can host 50 website, and the most important that you not get on your first plan is you can get access the AI tools.